I presume that all of us are experienced, all of us has some knowledge. So let us begin from some point where something which we know to a journey into which is not known to even me. Because only one thing in I practice I know, that who is the best teacher is patient. So many knowledge if you don't have, if taking responsibility, be with them, and we learn immensely, massively. Last afternoon we had a discussion session with student, and student who just started practice, and the first case she received was a breast cancer, and she was so anxious and so panicked, and she rushed to me stating that, sir, पहला ही case breast cancer का है. I don't know what to do. Now patient is asking, should I do chemo, should I do this, should I 1, 2, 3. Student is in serious problem. I said, don't worry. She came with patient. I guided her through the whole journey. But very interestingly, she traveled to KEM, Tata Memorial, and everywhere she traveled. And even I have not directed her, because patient was her neighbor, and she was, as a doctor, so anxious she wanted to be with her. And I am very sure that a young physician will be expert soon if she is involved in this particular way. So she took whole responsibility. It's not me treating or I treating. Treating patient through homeopathy, treating patient through her disease journey, and be with the patient is something which is the most important learning I have learned. And we were so lucky that I started working in a tribal area in Vikramgarh Thana. Who are from Maharashtra, Bombay? Quite a few. Other than Maharashtra, all of you coming from different places. So there is a Thane district where there is a tribal population, and started with the idea of service, but soon I realized that it's one of the best learning platforms, because I have seen cases in very, very natural state, uninterfered by anyone, including us. I have seen breast surgery done by nature. A malignancy of breast, gradually various processes, pathological changes she passes through. She goes under all necrosis and all pathology description which we study in the third year pathology. And there is a big crater which is formed later on, ulcer, which just we have healed through calendula and all other tinctures and other things. Nothing. And it is so beautiful to see how body localizes, how the process takes place. And in natural state, if untouched, what happens? Because the time has come that there is nothing untouched now. Moment we have headache and there is a crocin. Moment you have something and there is something, and we don't know the disease in its pure and natural state. How many you have seen HIV cases? देखा नहीं? देखा तो होगा, ट्रीट नहीं किया होगा, चलेगा? ट्रीट भी किया है आपने. It's very interesting experience. जरा लाउडली 2-5 मिनट में शेयर करो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था. हाउ यू टेक इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको पता चला आपका पेशेंट को HIV है, वहां से ही आपका मनस्थिति से लेके.
When patient came to me, her husband was truck driver, and he was suffering with a totally diagnosed case of HIV, and so patient, she was a lady. All the symptoms of pneumonia, fever, malaise, yellowness of the eye, pain, nature, everything was there. Then I took the case, selected according to the homeopathy. The last medicine came fast for us, and one dose covered everything. I have repeated the second dose. After 2 months, she is okay. No problem. Still not.
Fantastic. It's anyone else who have just seen the cases? देखा नहीं? देखा तो है प्रैक्टिस में, देखा है क्या एक्सपीरियंस है ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग केस?
was just complaining primarily of backache, lumbosacral, lower backache. It went on for quite some time. He visited all the regular faculties, and then on investigations he was detected as HIV. He of course had a history of exposure as well, and all the time he had a common complaint of malaise, weakness, and I can't take anything anymore type of expression. After the entire case taking, I had prescribed Cilicia for him. He improved for some time. We had to counsel him a lot because he was just not able to handle the whole truth of the fact that he is HIV positive. And of course, he's now also decided he doesn't want to go into marriage and other things. So we are still at that junction.
Interesting. I'll say that you are treating HIV cases also already. Many of them are not known to us. Don't get surprised. Are Mr. So-and-so, I'm treating him since last 3 years and suddenly accidentally detected having HIV. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कोई symptoms हो. So there is a difference basically being HIV positive and being having AIDS. Right? AIDS is a full-blown picture of compromised state of immunity. And it is very, very important that what happens to you when you are talking of infectious disease, and in that also now you are talking about such disease. Infectious disease में क्या होता है physician को?
He may get panic, what to do and all that.
Right. What else?
He has to quickly find remedies to treat the patient.
Right. But most important thing in infectious disease. And as a physician, as I asked first question, what is infection and what happens when infectious disease comes to you?
That is not spread to other people around also.
Very important part. Most important part you are talking now is doctor himself is subjecting to infection. Not that I am talking of patient, AIDS patient देख के आपको कुछ होने वाला है. But फिर भी नॉर्मली आप पल्स देखना और उनकी पल्स देखने जाना, ये अपनी साइक को मैं बताता हूँ.
For fear of getting infected yourself.
Perfect. And now in that additionally when it comes to AIDS or HIV, all the more reason. ऐसा HIV पेशेंट आया है तो क्लिनिक में स्टूडेंट बोल से HIV, AIDS, डॉक्टर है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी की तो हाल अलग है. So all across there are multi reasons other than just handling that patient. और कौन आने वाला है आपके लाइफ में इन्फेक्शियस पेशेंट आएगा तो? हाँ, ट्यूबरक्यूलोसिस. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ डिजीज, आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ और कौन आएगा आपकी क्लिनिक में? रिलेटिव्स विल कम. हमें क्या करने का इसमें? सिंपल कंजंक्टिवाइटिस आएगा ना, वहां से शुरू होता है. कंजंक्टिवाइटिस पेशेंट आया, क्या करोगे? तो फर्स्ट थिंग यू से इजी डिस्पेस, फास्ट डिस्पेस. टोटलिटी देखो और हो सके तो पेशेंट को देखे बिना टोटलिटी डिटेल मिलती है तो भागो, इधर मत बैठो, भाग. नहीं तो 2-3 दिन में डॉक्टर भी ऐसा गोगल्स पहन के बैठेगा. सो इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज जैसे ही आता है, द फर्स्ट थिंग कम्स अप इज इन योर माइंड protections of various levels, your relative measures which is required, all